What's up, guys? Custom exclusive, guys. As you know, we are the champions. Sorry, guys. As you guys know, we buy this in, and you guys know we are busy with a project, and we build us a stand. As I said, we are the champions. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So we build us a stand to display our bike like this. We build us a stand. And what's the space we're gonna load up something that we're gonna do with this bike. This bike we're gonna extend. We're gonna take off this. To put a thicker pipe in. We're gonna take off this pipe. Look at all the welding. We're gonna transform this thing. We're gonna extend this bike. So yeah, guys, this is the chrome pipe we're gonna use on that project. This is the chrome pipe. So we're gonna cut this whole bike and transform it and extend it. As I said, we are the champions. Next squad raak en speel samen. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for reposting and sharing. Watch the space of this bike.